Hi everyone, good to see you again on my channel. Today I will show you one of the most unusual metal detectors, what I have been used or tested during my previous, 20 years of metal detecting experience. Really, this is something ridiculous. I never seen this detector before, never, ever, and to be honest, I'm quite surprised by its performance. So, let's start from the beginning. And the first thing, are you subscribed to my channel? Could you please subscribe? That will definitely help to grow my channel, so the more visitors will see my metal detecting tests and some other adventures what I'm going to post here and publish here on my channel later on. Maybe this year, maybe next year, we will see. But anyway, so today I'm going to show you an NFD90 metal detector made in Ukraine. The developer and designer of this metal detector is unknown, so I even don't know his name. I'm so sorry, guys, but yeah, that's true, and that's the sad reality, but nothing to do. You know what's currently happening in Ukraine? That's a very crazy and dangerous times for everyone in Ukraine, so I have nothing to add. You know everything from the news. So, why this NFD90 is so interesting metal detector? The first thing is its frequency. It works on 90 kHz frequency. So why such a high frequency, you can ask? Is it developed to find the gold nuggets? Actually not. The main thing, well, if you are located in Europe or anywhere where you have some kind of the ancient sites, or old settlements, which are currently located somewhere in the field or in the forest. So basically you have a place where you had a settlement like 90 or hundreds years ago, or even the 10 centuries, thousands years ago, then for sure you have a lot of metal over there, and it's quite difficult for you to search in highly literate places. Especially if you are searching for non-ferrous targets, and especially if you are searching for very precious metals, like a gold, tiny gold, silver, tiny silver, and very poor silver targets. So for this, you need a special metal detector. And I know, like, more than 80% of all metal detectors developed worldwide are so-kind universal metal detectors. It's designed to fill mainly all of the applications and types of the metal detecting. So you can go to search in the fields, in the parks. You can go underwater to search on the seashore or anywhere else. But yeah, not many detectors could be used for highly literate places. Even more if you are using the sniper coils, the small one, which are as their size like 6 inches, 7 inches, or even less. It's still pretty good to use that, but still you are limited to the frequency of your metal detector. So, for example, an XP metal detector from France, you have an 80 kHz with the small white coil, for XP-1. So you can use that also on XP or X, but I highly recommend to use it with the XP-1 because at least you can set up the audio tones and the audio settings. So you have there 80 kHz, but still the size of the coil is quite big, and it works only, in dynamic mode. But what about the static? Static mode is actually like for roughly for 30% deeper than dynamic one. So NFD90 works in both modes. It works in static and in dynamic. So you can change the mode, or you can use the automatic mode, which will just select static or dynamic operations. Depends on the position of your metal detector. So if you position it closer to the ground, you will get the dynamic mode. If you put it up, then you have the static one. So let it all be. So this current NFD90 is designed specially for such highly literate places where you can operate in a static mode. And there are some limitations. And this limitation is why I can't show you and demonstrate you the performance of this metal detector right now, because you should use that only with the headphones. Yeah, there is only one way to use it with the headphones. There's no any other ways, because yeah, I tried it right now on my test site. You see I'm located in the forest. On my test site I tried it here right now without the headphones, and the result is not impressive at all. But if you are using the headphones, then you hear everything. Here you should set it up to hear the smooth threshold on this metal detector, and if you have the threshold break, then you have the ferro signal. And in case if threshold tone becomes higher, then you have the non-ferrous target. So if we see and if we say about the performance in case of depth, sorry Americans, I'm using the metric system. So that will be, for example, you have a target between the nails, like 2, 3, 4 nails on a Monte board, you know, and this target is like silver hammered coin, you know, 25 centimeters deep. Most of the metal detectors wouldn't recognize that target at all. At least if you are some kind of the experienced user and using your metal detector for, I don't know, 3 years, digging 1 or 2 times per week, then yeah, you can hear your metal detector pretty well and you will understand what's beneath the coil. But here in this case with the NFD90, using the headphones, the usual Bluetooth headphones, you will definitely hear that target and it will spot it. So that's the main purpose why this metal detector is designed. Really, it's actually supplied only with the coil. As you can see, it's a small 9-inch coil and the control box. All of the rest, you know, has been done by one of my friends in Ukraine. His name is Anton. He is living in a Kharkov region, very close to the front line, like 100 kilometers from the front line. So it's a difficult times for everyone. And in case if you want to order this metal detector and test it out, then for sure just send me the message. You know, you can find my email here on my YouTube channel, and feel free to message me or write in the comments, and I will definitely reply you. So this is it. This very special metal detector, and I don't know how to test it because I don't have the targets on my test site, is the first thing. The second thing is somehow I should have like a free arms, you know. I should hold the metal detector, I should hold the camera, and I should hold the headphones very close to the microphone of my camera. And in the addition, I should hear myself, the sounds from the headphones as well. So that makes my testing really complicated. And I don't know how to perform that. Sorry guys, I don't have an external microphone to use that with, you know, with the headphones. It's a problem. But still, that's a great metal detector, and everything what I told you right now is the complete true information. So it's up to you to decide. But yeah, I wanted to introduce that metal detector to you to show that in the world there are actually a lot of metal detectors, you know, designed in ex-USSR countries, which are not similar to the metal detectors developed by designed by other companies. Sorry, I have my summer allergy, you know, for that trees. Nothing to do. That was the wrong decision probably to build my test site in an area where I can have an allergy, but let it be. You know, I'm so strong, man, and powerful, so I will keep that. And well, it's just the one blocker in the life, you know. But yeah, if you know that, you can live with that, you know your enemy. It's always the best solution, because the hidden enemy is the worst one. So NFD90, great metal detector, nice technology, really unique technology, really something what you won't find anywhere else in the world. So it's very unique machine. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. What do you think about this metal detector? What is your experience detecting on highly literate places? I would be glad to read that. See you. Bye bye.